Warning: the following video contains inappropriate and offensive humor. If this type of humor bothers you or you're just too thin-skinned to take a joke, do not watch. If you choose to proceed, neither the video's creators nor YouTube is responsible for your pansy ass getting all offended. Watching this video means you claim responsibility for your reaction. In other words, viewer discretion is advised.
Tonight's episode is brought to you by
Burger King. We call it the Impossible Whopper because it's impossibly bad.
I have to drive all the fucking time, and it do suck, it do suck. Idiots with their brights making me blind. It do suck, it do suck. Yes, I gave him colorful words. Yeah, flipped him the bird. Driving down the fucking road. It do suck, it do suck. Oh yeah. It do suck, it do suck. Yeah. It do suck, it do suck. Yeah.
Turkey!
Yes, hello.
Hello, mates.
And welcome to another episode of Driving Down the Fucking Road.
Yep.
So, whenever you're out driving, you always encounter certain people, provided you drive along the same routes, and sometimes you just encounter the same person over and over, and, well, you get kind of annoyed by them.
Yeah, you could say that some people develop grudges.
Yeah, you could say that. So, anyway, the topic of tonight's song parody is all about this person who just won't leave you alone,
Yeah.
even though you never did anything to them in the first place.
Yeah, it's like they just declare you an
Yeah.
enemy.
So anyway, here it is, without any further ado. So, enjoy.
Enjoy.
Untaint my car. Please don't target me. My derriere begs you, please. Leave me be. Untaint my car. Don't slap me with your stink. Untaint my car. Don't paint a target on me. Every time I have to go somewhere, you act like you're the hunter and I'm the bear. Untaint my car. Leave me be.
Untaint my car. Please don't try to kill me. Untaint my car. Why do you find it thrilling? I did nothing to deserve your wrath. What are you, some kind of sociopath? Untaint my car. Leave me be.
You put me through hell ever since you appeared. The stress makes me unwell. You are incredibly weird. Untaint my car. Let me drive in peace. Untaint my car. Just let this madness cease. You're the kind I try so hard to avoid. The fact you exist makes me paranoid. Untaint my car. Leave me be. I swear to God, sometimes it's like it's open season.
Yeah.
Like, here we are. We got our hunting license. We got all of our equipment. Let's go kill some people.
Yeah, it sure does seem like it's like that, doesn't it, Nate?
Yeah, it's totally insane. It's like, how can people drive this way?
I don't know. I think they're all crazy.
Yeah, where's a cop when you need one?
The crazy look in your eyes suggests you're under a trance. Yeah, you freak me out and make me wet my pants.
Please untaint my car.
Untaint my car.
Don't shoot at me like a duck. Untaint my car.
Untaint my car.
Stop acting like a sick fuck. There's quite enough crazies for me to deplore. Believe me, I sure don't need any more. Untaint my car, 'cause you really suck. Yeah. You know, sometimes I just want to drive in peace and not be harassed by other drivers.
I don't think most of us do, mate.
Yeah, it's like, it's just really too much to ask.
Yeah.
All I'm trying to do is get from point A to point B.
Yeah, just merrily rolling along, no big deal, you know?
You know, I'm not looking to scrap with anybody. I'm not looking to cause any trouble. I'm just barely going up the way like that.